Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Bet365 bonus code. Firstly, click the Bet365 code that you have received. Follow the sign up link to the official Bet365 website. On the homepage, click join in the top right corner. Enter your username, password, email address and date of birth and contact info. Then choose a secure password that you remember. Now scroll down to the bonus code box and pass the referral code. Then accept Bet365's terms and conditions by ticking the box, then click the green button join to finish the sign up. Now you can log in, make deposits, place bets and play games on Bet365. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.